The PII Tower of Power is a true DC-coupled microgrid architecture designed to intelligently manage power generation, utility power, energy storage, balance of plant, and multiple simultaneous loads within a single modular footprint. The PII Tower of Power can be configured for nearly any application. Start by identifying the outputs needed to support the loads up to the power sources that will be used. This determines which power electronics and corresponding power shelves will be used in the PII Tower of Power. Consider a data center with a 100 kilowatt IT load and a 40 kilowatt cooling load, and available power sources including grid, PV, BESS, and a fuel cell as on-site power generation. The PII Tower of Power can be configured to accept all four inputs, converting to a high-voltage DC bus, then converting to the appropriate load voltages. It also provides control of how each power source is used. This makes it possible to prioritize PV usage when it's available and supplement with the grid power as necessary, while using the fuel cell as a backup. It can also manage BESS charging when there is surplus PV energy or during off-peak grid pricing, then discharging during the night when PV is not available or during peak demand for peak shaving. Or the fuel cell can be the primary power source, while the PV is used to charge the BESS as the backup, with the grid as the fallback. The PII Tower of Power supports virtually any mix of inputs and outputs and can be used in a grid-forming or a grid-tied configuration. Use it to form a DC microgrid for industrial or commercial facilities, to set up an EV charging station with BESS for peak shaving, or for so many other use cases. Learn more at powerinnovations.com.